Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting the topic bulldozers. So bulldozers is an important piece of heavy equipment used in construction and earth moving. This presentation covers types of bulldozers and different types of blades used in them. So these, as you can see, this is a picture of bulldozer. So first one is a wheel dozer and second one is a crawler mounted dozer. A wheel bulldozer, which is also called as a tire bulldozer, runs on wheels instead of tracks. It is more maneuverable and easy to control due to better steering. These machines are suitable for both soft and sensitive ground, as tires cause less damage compared to tracks. They are generally used where speed and mobility are important. Whereas for crawler bulldozers, a crawler is also sometimes referred to as a track bulldozer. It looks much similar to a tractor. This is a weight machine and it is great for moving heavy materials from one area to another. Bulldozer is ideal for traversing dense and irregular terrain, and a crawler bulldozer moves on track, similar to a tractor. This track provides excellent traction, making it suitable for rough, uneven, or rocky terrain. Some crawler dozers are equipped with rippers to break hard ground. Now let's move on to the types of blades. So the bulldozer contains mainly three different types of blades, and the blade is a main working component of a bulldozer. It is used to push, lift, and grade materials like soil, rocks, and snow. Different blade types are designed for different tasks. Mainly, there are three types of blade, but we can divide with different attachment. We can say that it can be divided into five types of blade, which are straight blades, universal blade. Yes, straight blade and universal blade combinedly, we can say that semi-U blade. Then there are ankle blade and power ankle tilt, which is called as pat blade. So this picture shows a S blade. So an S blade is or a straight blade is the most basic and commonly used type of bulldozer blade. It features a flat, straight edge with low curvature, and it is ideal for leveling, grading, and clearing debris. However, it cannot carry large amount of material due to its shape. It is best suited for light to moderate tasks. This picture you're seeing is a picture of a universal blade or a U blade. So a U blade has a very large side wings and it is curved shape. It is designed to carry large volume of material over long distances. The wings prevent the material from spilling and commonly used in construction, mining, and quarrying activities. It reduces the number of trips needed for a material transport. You can use a U blade for ditching, hauling, pushing, and crowning. Next, semi U blade or SU blade. So a semi-U blade combines the features of both S and U blades in this moderate curvature and smaller side widths, offer a balance between penetration and carrying capacity. It is suitable for pushing and moving soil over longer distances. It is versatile and widely used in different conditions. Next one is an ankle blade. The picture you can see in the screen is an ankle blade, actually the backside of an ankle blade. So ankle blades are designed with the ability to tilt to the left or right, offering more precision and versatility in various tasks. Ankle blades can tilt up to 30 degrees. It is useful for side pushing materials such as in road work. It is also ideal for grading, shaping, and ditching. However, it does not have any side wings, so the material may spill. It is best used in a soft to medium soil. Ankle blades are so useful in confined spaces where flexibility and maneuverability are crucial. For example, when grading a road or clearing a path, an operator can easily shift the blade's angle to ensure the material is moved efficiently. So the next type is power ankle tilt blade or pat blade. So pat blade is highly advanced and versatile. Picture shows a pat blade. A power ankle tilt or a pat blade combines the feature of both ankle and tilt blades, offering enhanced versatility for various applications. It can ankle, tilt, and adjust vertically at the same time. It provides excellent control for grading and leveling operations, commonly used in road construction and site preparation. It is ideal for tasks requiring precision. So, some of the best tasks for path plays include scraping, land clearing, leveling, backfilling, grading, etc. Thank you.